guys were expecting a big storm from you Dizzy this time, but as you see from the lights, it's not snowing no more. And that's all we got. I mean, I can show you on top of this about that much. An inch maybe? But what's going on is our plow guys, village fence, they're gonna come through here and drop off sweatshirts for you Dizzy, because they're wicked cool and they're the best plow guys ever. So maybe I'll record it, maybe I'll just show you the sweatshirts. But thanks for watching you Dizzy this year. I know we haven't got much snow, but I'm here, I'm ready for it if it ever decides to come. I think here they come. Look at them rolling through. Good work. Guys at Village Fence taking care of us. Look at them plowing right away and gave you Dizzy a sweatshirt. Freaking right. So not much snow here, but the boys are cleaning up anyways. Thanks, brother. You be safe. Yeah. So much for this storm too. How you doing? Ain't nobody's having problems on the hill this morning. It's about 3 a.m. Dizzy's out playing. Yeah, that's all we got. I'm sorry, folks. Well, that was it. Just a tiny bit. They salted and it's all gone now. Crisp, beautiful morning. The sun's coming up over there. I did Anna's. I did Uncle Leo's. Ours. I would say maybe 2 inches. I mean, you can look on that car. That looks like we got a lot, but it really isn't. We got about 2 inches. So thanks for watching Dizzy. Stay safe out there. And stay warm.